The BMW XM is a full-size luxury crossover SUV designed and manufactured by BMW's subsidiary BMW M, and is the company's second car developed entirely by BMW M. Beginning in December 2022, BMW US began production of the XM in South Carolina, with deliveries beginning in 2023. This sports car's combustion engine has been upgraded and the two turbochargers have been placed closer to the exhaust manifold. This 4.4-liter V8 includes an electric motor driving an 8-speed automatic gearbox, which when combined generates 480 kW, 644 horsepower, and 800 Nm of torque. It's the same system as the BMW M Hybrid V8 and should give the XM a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 4.1 seconds. A 25.7 kWh battery, which has a range of 30 miles divided by 55 miles and can be recharged via regenerative braking, powers the electric motor. An M Sport differential with torque vectoring on the rear axle provides permanent all-wheel drive, while anti-roll bars and active dampers as well as steel springs and active steering help control the XM's handling. An 8-speed automatic transmission sends power to the 23 wheels. The BMW XM uses a low-mass battery to keep the car's center of gravity as low as possible and minimize its impact on the car's handling. As for the interior, the new BMW XM is less controversial than the exterior thanks to the two-part infotainment screen carried over from the BMW iX and i4. The interior features illuminated metal footplates, matte effect carbon fiber, and lots of leather on the dashboard and doors, as well as M Sport seats with electric adjustment and massage functions. Now on sale. The new BMW XM starts at $145,000 and is only $5,000 cheaper than the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. The BMW X7 is BMW's largest and most expensive SUV, so it's their premium in the full-sized SUV line. The 2023 BMW X7 receives a mid-cycle refresh, including a new front-end, digital display, and BMW's latest infotainment system. The largest BMW SUV also has new features and driver assistance. Besides the 23-inch rims, BMW will also offer an updated powertrain with the X7. The xDrive 40i's turbocharged 6-cylinder now makes 375 horsepower, while the M50i's name changes to M60i. And the dual-turbo 4.4-liter engine and 48-volt hybrid drive system are said to be more efficient, and that makes 523 horses. With 630 horsepower, the Alpina XB7 is even more powerful than the M60i. The price for the X7, xDrive 40i and M60i starts from $80,000 and $105,000. Even more expensive than these is the BMW Alpina XB7, which starts at $145,000. With an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive, each X7 rides on air suspension with adaptive dampers, and its chassis is further enhanced with rear axle steering and active anti-roll bars. By default, the M60i has a sportier suspension setup, so both features are standard. Within, the X7's dashboard is mostly occupied by a gargantuan digital screen that's just barely curved. It boasts a 12.3 inches display cluster for the driver and a 14.9 inches touchscreen, through which the infotainment system is operated. There are plenty of luxury features inside, like heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable steering wheel, and ambient interior lighting. However, we found the power-operated, second-row captain's chairs that make it easy to let people in and out of the third row are much slower than they should be. Similarly, the way back seats won't accommodate many adults, but you'll find lots of inside cubbies to stow away items.